In Clark County, health officials are once again warning that whooping cough cases are way up this year, and several schools have seen recent exposures. Health officials have seen 342 cases of the infection, also known as pertussis, so far this year, compared to just 14 last year. Statewide, it is 900 compared to 41. Pertussis is a highly contagious bacterial infection that can make it hard to breathe. Officials say the best defense is vaccination, and they are most worried about infants.
We have a large susceptible population, and this is a very contagious disease. It's airborne, it's a respiratory illness, and it's very contagious.
Columbia River High in the Vancouver district sent a message to families yesterday about a possible exposure. The Evergreen district says 3 schools have had recent cases.